Alright, so today we are going to revise respiration. We've done a previous video in which we have a very quick summary, okay? Just it brushes over the concepts, what is in the chapter, etc. Now we are going to see in detail the main concepts of the chapter respiration, okay? So the title is Energy and Respiration, the need for energy. So this video will be split into different parts. Alright, and that is the first part, the need for energy. So the syllabus code is available here, and let's for Cambridge students. So other students may use this slide as well. Okay, some of them are similar on the examination boards. Alright, so let's start. So living organisms are composed of cells, and within each cell there are many processes and activities that take place in order to maintain life. Alright, so any work requires energy, and energy is obtained through respiration. One thing that you need to know, that energy is not or cannot be created. Okay, even when we talk about photosynthesis, it is passed. Okay, there is a law. Okay, so you have the law of thermodynamics, whereby it states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It is transformed from one form into another. So you should be careful not to say that energy is created when you talk about photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, it is obtained, but is not created for respiration. So respiration in all living cells releases energy from the breakdown of organic molecules. So sun is a primary energy source of most organisms. Alright, I said most. So the first learning outcome, it is as it is in the syllabus, outline the need for energy in living organisms as illustrated by active transport, movement, and anabolic reactions such as those occurring in DNA replication and protein synthesis. Alright, so you have four types of work that you need to remember. First one is transport substances across membrane. Second is movement. Third, anabolic reactions, maintaining body temperature. So the first one is most common, right? And important. You have to write it during the exam. So transport of substances across membrane. Their examples are exocytosis and active transport. Alright. So exocytosis, you have learned it in detail during your OS level. Okay. So the second one is movement. Okay. So this is a mechanical contraction of muscles. When you walk, do any type of work, we mechanically contract our muscles, be voluntarily or involuntarily. And the movement of chromosome via spindle fibers. This is in the chapter of mitosis, okay, ES level, where there is the spindle fiber is shortened, okay, to pull the chromosomes. And the third one is anabolic reaction. This is a synthesis of DNA from nucleotides and protein from amino acids. Okay. Then you have maintaining body temperature. This is a hemostasis mainly, okay. So this occurs in mammals and birds only. So you have four as stated by the syllabus. Alright, the first one is active transport here. Active transport. Then movement and anabolic reactions, which are those occurring in DNA replication and protein synthesis. Okay, you have to remember these four very well. So then we have autotrophs. What are autotrophs? There are organisms that are able to synthesize their own food, such as plants. Alright, plants, for example, plants make their usable carbon from carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. We are heterotroph, we don't have this ability. We need a supply of pre-made usable carbon compounds from which is obtained from their food. Okay, so here you have carnivores, which of course are heterotroph, herbivores heterotroph, omnivore heterotroph. Okay, and here is a autotroph. Right, and the equations, this is very important, you have to remember. So glucose plus oxygen, you get carbon dioxide, water, and energy. So this one is subscript. All right, 6, 12, 06, C6H12O6, and that is glucose. Then O2 gas and H2O. Now you obtain H2O and carbon dioxide. You have to remember to balance the equation. Okay. Oh, it's only 6 everywhere. It's easy to remember. You have to put 6 everywhere. And you get energy with it. Okay. And that's it. That's the last slide. And we're going to upload more videos and further of the chapter. That is the first part. All right.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel TSR Academy, like, share and follow to excel.